nutrients available to plants change as the soil pH changes. For example, acid soils, with a pH of less than 6, commonly have deficiencies in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, all very important for healthy plant growth. Whilst acid soils with a pH of less than 4 commonly have toxic amounts of both aluminium and manganese. In alkaline soils, with a pH of more than 7, several important nutrients may be unavailable. This diagram shows the pH range for typical soils, plus the pH of a number of common substances for comparison. Some pH meters can be complicated for beginners to use correctly and to interpret the results. A third way is the fizz test. Do this very simple test, and if your soil does not fizz, then it's probably okay for growing plants. A more reliable way to find out the pH of your soil is to use a test kit. Widely available from Bunnings or your local plant nursery, it will do multiple tests and should cost around $20. Simple. Many vegetables and non-native garden plants originated from parts of the world with alkaline soils, so they tend to grow better in soils with a pH of above 7. This stunning yellow grevillea is growing in soil with a pH of about 7.5. And for 6 months of the year, it does not rain in this part of WA. Many of the plants that are native to those areas do not thrive in the acid soils found here in the east. This indicates a strong case for grafting plants from those areas, and this species has been successfully grafted using Grevillea robusta as the rootstock.
This has been another Doug Rickard Soil Talk. Please subscribe for more great content.